Internships are a crucial step in securing a full-time role in finance, so it's important to set yourself up for success. In this video, we will discuss key tips on how to convert your finance internship into a full-time offer. Attention to detail and delivering high-quality work is a crucial factor in converting your internship into a full-time offer. Employers value interns who consistently produce work that meets or exceeds expectations and who demonstrate meticulousness and reliability in their tasks. To ensure that your work is of high quality, be meticulous in completing tasks and pay attention to the details. Triple check your work for errors, whether it be numbers in a financial model, formatting in slides for presentation, or the reliability of sources used for market research. Review your work thoroughly to ensure accuracy, consistency, and clarity. Be proactive in understanding the requirements of your tasks and, where in doubt, seek clarification from your supervisor or colleagues. Avoid careless mistakes that could compromise the quality of your work, as this can detract from your overall work impression. Don't overlook smaller tasks or rush through them, as these can still have a significant impact on the overall quality of your work and can set you up for taking on more responsibilities. As an intern, it is essential to take a proactive approach and positive attitude towards your work. Seek out additional responsibilities and projects to show your willingness to contribute to the team. Volunteer for tasks or projects when given the opportunity. Consider shadowing senior colleagues, working in roles that interest you, and ask to sit in on client meetings. However, do not neglect your core responsibilities in pursuit of other projects, as prioritizing work is an important part of your internship performance. As an intern, it's important to understand and respect the hierarchy and culture of the organization. Avoid overstepping your boundaries by taking on tasks or responsibilities that are not within your scope or authority. For example, do not go directly above an associate and submit work to a vice president if you're working on the same project. Seek guidance from your supervisors or mentors if you are unsure about something. Understanding the organizational structure and dynamics can help you to navigate the workplace effectively without stepping on any toes, while building professional relationships with your colleagues. Maintaining a professional appearance and behavior is crucial in converting an internship into a full-time offer. Follow the dress code of your company, paying close attention to your grooming and personal hygiene. Being punctual with all meetings and calls and deadlines is a must, and you should clearly communicate with colleagues as far ahead of time as possible if there is a risk that you will not be on time. Always conduct yourself in a professional manner, as this leaves a lasting impression and can contribute to your overall image within the organization. Networking is a critical aspect of any internship, and it can play a pivotal role in securing a full-time offer. One key tip is to take advantage of every networking opportunity available to you during your internship. This includes formal networking events organized by your company, such as career fairs, workshops, or networking mixers. This also extends to informal opportunities, such as coffee chats with colleagues, which you can organize yourself. Try to genuinely connect with people across different departments or teams within the organization, showing a genuine interest in their work. Building relationships can help you gain visibility within the firm and increase your chances of being considered for a full-time position. As your internship comes to an end, it's important to wrap up on a positive note. Take the time to keep track of all the names and emails of employees you've worked with during your internship. These contacts can be valuable for future networking opportunities or references. Express your gratitude by sending concise thank you emails to those who you've worked for, acknowledging their guidance and support during your internship. Avoid overdoing it and keep your messages professional and sincere. Don't hesitate to ask your line manager and relevant staff members for feedback on your performance during your internship. Reflecting on your experience and seeking feedback can really provide you with invaluable insights into your strengths and areas for improvement. Use this feedback to further develop your skills and enhance your performance in future roles, and use any constructive criticism as an opportunity for growth. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance and career content.